In this video, we are going to look at factorization of quadratic equation. I think factorization is one of the way of solving quadratic equation. Then, for you to solve quadratic equation, let's write solution. Since the coefficient of the a is 1, no need for multiply any number with the constant. Then we have x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. Then we find the multiple of 15. The multiple of 15 is 5 times 3. Then two numbers, if we add, you get 2. What are the two numbers? Add, you get, or subtract, we have 5 minus 3. This is equals to 2. The multiple of 15 here, 5 and 3. Then we can replace 2x in the two numbers. We have x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equals to 0. Then we have x squared. Let's factorize this and this. The factor here is x into x plus 5. Therefore, we have minus 3 into the factor here is 3. We have x here. We have plus 5. We open the bracket, go back to this stage. This is equals 0. Then we can say, since the two brackets are equal, it is either x plus 5 or x minus 3 is equals to 0. X plus 5 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. We make x the subject of the formula. We got x is equals to minus 5 or x is equals to 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.